I specially built this crypto exchange platform, okay, to help users, to help anyone successfully launch a crypto exchange platform without having to worry about liquidity. Okay, one major limitation about launching an exchange is having the huge funds to fill orders. Okay, because you need to have the funds in your liquidity pool to be able to fill users' orders and also to be able to pay for gas fees. So this limitation aside licensing, this is major limitation that has stopped a lot of people from launching a crypto trading platform. So that is why I especially built this to cater for this, so that anybody can successfully launch a crypto platform without worrying about liquidity. Now it has three smart liquidity engines. I call it smart liquidity engine because it has the external, it has the internal, it has the hybrid. Now this external liquidity model, it enables you to route orders, okay, to external exchanges. You do not need to have any funds to fill orders. So you can start making money from the first day that you launch your exchange, the first user. You can start making money from the first user. So you route orders to external exchanges, it fills, and your users wouldn't know what is going on at the background. So that is it. Now it has the internal exchange and the internal um, model. Now this internal model is like a full exchange. Okay, so with this system you can run a full exchange, you can run just like a broker. So the external is like you being a broker and the internal is you running full exchange. Now this internal is is going to use your internal liquidity pool. It's not going to route orders. All orders will happen on your platform. Okay, so you are not taking anything external, and this is when you've already grown. You are able to cater for users orders. You can fill users orders. You have the funds, so that is when you can switch into this internal liquidity model. Now we have the hybrid liquidity model. How does this hybrid liquidity model works? It works in a way that while you are if once you switch to this, if there is an order, a user places an order, okay, the system first checks your internal liquidity pool. If there is fund, it fills that order. Then if there is not enough fund to fill the order, it now routes the order to an external exchange. Okay, so that is it. So gradually you are building up your liquidity pool. So as you grow and you have enough funds to fill your users orders, then you can now switch to this internal liquidity. So that is one of the major um, the core concept of this system, and it is fully working. It is working completely. So each of the liquidity models are working. Whichever one that suits you, you can fly with it. Now I'll be showing you um, the user's dashboard. Okay, this is the user's dashboard. Then after that, I can now move to the admin dashboard. Now users can trade sports futures. There is AI trading bot. There is advanced bot. This is auto bot, whereby they can beginner can create a bot and it automatically picks the best coins and it handles everything for them. So this is for advanced traders. This is scalping, swing trading, momentum, DCA, um, and grid trading. So I'll be taking these one step at a time. So now let's go to wallet. Now this is where you see your wallet. This is where you deposit crypto. This system is completely built that users can deposit through funds. So it has three deposit methods: crypto, bank transfer, and card payment. Now this crypto payment option, it has the Ethereum network, the Tron network, and the BEP20 Binance network. Now each of these wallet addresses, they are real and they can receive funds. So these are real blockchain wallet addresses that you can copy and send to anyone that wants to send crypto to you, and you receive the fund. So there are lots of coins, BTC. So each coin that you select automatically is going to show you the networks. So you can choose the network. If it is a coin that has different networks, so you choose the network and send to your users, to anyone that wants to send funds to you. So that is it. It is fully working. These are real. Now the next deposit option is bank transfer. So it has, you can add as many bank transfer as possible. Okay, so you can decide the minimum amount. They can upload their this thing, bank transfer payment. Now the next one is card payment. Currently it has three card payment types. It has Flutterwave, Stripe, and Paystack. So you can enable each of these payment gateways for your users to make payment with. Now the next one is the withdrawal. Users can withdraw funds. You can withdraw to a particular wallet address. So these are wallet addresses. The only coins that should display here are the coins that you have funds on. So you can withdraw. Choose the amount of coin you want to withdraw. Now the next thing is the transfer option. So you can transfer funds from the futures wallet to the spot wallet and vice versa. So that is it. This is transaction history. This is where you get to see all your transaction, your deposit, the bank deposit, crypto deposit, card deposit. So this is your withdrawal. For every withdrawal made, there is an audit trail. So this is where you get to see all your withdrawals. Now the address book, this is for whitelisting addresses. So there is no whitelisted address here for now. Now this is the market. This market, you're able to search for a lot of coins. Okay, so as you can see, this is BTC, Ethereum, and you can easily trade any of them. Now this is your favorite coins, and this is the sports market. You can see the gainers, losers, and a lot more. Now this bot is included, but there is no trade, no bot trading live, because this is still a demonstration video. So this is your watch list. You can add coins to your watch list. Let's go back to the market and add some coin to the watch list. Okay, let's scroll down to let's add this to the watch list. And so this is your watch list. You can add price alerts. You can add price alert when this coin is 0.17, so which you can get an alert, as you can see, and you can easily trade any of these. Just click on it, it's going to take you to the trading view. Now this is your portfolio. This is where you get to see your futures and your spot holdings. Okay, this is your open positions, your unrealized profit and loss. So this is your portfolio. Now this is the trading. This trading page, you have spot, futures, copy trading, virtual trading, and convert. Now another good feature about this platform is that it has virtual trading. The virtual trading covers the trading bot and also manual trading. So your users can be able to test the performance of the trading bot and also the performance of the trading signal for manual trading before they can commit real funds. So it's an added advantage. Now, this is where copy traders, the best traders, can get rewarded with for good trades. So let's start with spot trading. Now, this is built to make it easier for users to be able to trade. Okay, so once you select any coin pair, the trading signal is going to tell you to, okay, this is time to buy, this is time to sell, this is time to wait. Now you have the freedom to decide to go with it or just trade on your own. So this is just to make it easier. It's not a must that you follow it. So you can buy limits, price, market price, and you can put your stop loss. You can sell your coins. You can select as many coins as possible. Okay, this is looking for this coin. So for each coin that you select, this is the futures. This is the futures trading view. So as you can see, this is a buy signal. So it has, you can select your leverage. You can switch from isolated to cross and from one way to hedge mode. So these are tested and fully working. Now, one thing about this, because this is an external trading for now, so for you to be able to trade with this, you need to connect your exchange. So it has exchange connection. Users can connect their Bybit, their Binance, OKS, BitGet, Coin. So whichever exchange they are using, they can connect as many exchanges as they want and trade for futures. So, but for spot trading, it handles it directly. So that is it for futures and sports. This is sport. I think I'm showing you. Okay, so let's go back to trade. Now this is copy trading. So this you can copy trade. There is no copy trader here for now. So you can go to your dashboard. You can apply to be a copy trader, and you can open real trades, long and sell. Then other users can copy, and you earn. You earn from each of the trades. That is it. Then this is virtual trading. Now these are not refunds. You can top up your sports or your futures wallet. So just to test how the platform is. So these are profit because the trading signal is very powerful. It's really giving good trade. So as you can see, this is the paper trading. It's not refunds. So your users can test the platform to just know how it is before they can commit real funds. So this there they can do testing. So this is the sports trading. It's one of the good things about this platform. So I especially built this. That is it. Then the next thing is okay, this is the conversion trading. This is where you can convert one coin to another. You can convert USDT to Bitcoin. You can convert Bitcoin to USDT. So this is your conversion. This coin that has been converted. Okay, this is conversion history. Now let's go to the trading bots. There are two types of trading bots. We have the auto bot and the advanced bot. The auto bot is for newbies to just click here, then you select. It has a virtual and live option. The live option, the virtual option. So whichever one you can select the spot, the futures, or you can trade both spot and futures. You can reinvest, you can withdraw, you can put in the name, the amount, the risk level. You select the risk level, then the return, fixed USDT, or you do not want to trade with any target. The unlimited duration, set hours, the maximum number of trades, and so that is it. Now the next is advanced board. Advanced board, this is for experienced traders because you need to make some settings. It has the scalping, swing, momentum, DCA, and grid trading. So you can decide any of these depending on the market. So you can just set virtual or live, so spot or futures. You need to trade the futures. You need to connect an exchange for it. So this is one of the exchanges I connected. Now you can just continue. You put in the amount, set this stuff, then you click. So that is it. Now these are trading bots. This one is active. So this is momentum bot. Okay, it's trading A8 and USDT. I think it auto selects the coin. Then this is futures. This is Autobot futures. So as you can see. It has entered market, and you can view this thing here. Okay, so this is the log. You can see when it enters a trade and when it sells, when it hits profit. You can back test. Okay, you can check the configuration of the trading board. So that is it. This one is here. You can see. So the virtual trading bot is using the same pipeline with the real bot. So whatever you are seeing here is the same thing you are going to see when the bot is when users are trading real trading. So all these are virtual trading bots. So this is still watching. So it hasn't opened the trade yet. As you can see, it's still waiting to get a better signal to enter the market. So that is it. Now this is copy trading. We've done that. Virtual trading, subscription. Now, for users to be able to use the trading board, they need to subscribe. So these are different subscription plans. So you can edit this at the admin back end. You can decide, delete, and edit any subscription plan. Now this is exchange. So as you can see, this is a connected exchange. This is BitGet. So your users can connect as many exchanges as possible, and they can easily see their balance here. You can connect like Binance. So you just put in your um, the account name, the API key. So depending on the exchange you're connecting, some exchange needs passphrase. So whichever exchange, if you select those exchange, it's going to show you the option for passphrase, and you connect your exchange. So once you connect, you click on test, and once your keys are active and the API keys are active, it's going to show verified, and you'll be able to see your balance. Yeah, so this is where you see your open orders for spot, futures, and trading board. So these are for live trading. There is no live trading. Now this is your trading history, spot, futures, board. So there is nothing live. Now this is staking. This is another feature. This is staking. This is a position. So this is lending. So you can lend a particular coin, and you can also borrow depending on available loans. You can open a loan. So that is it. Now this is the OTC desk. If you want to commit a large trade, a large buy or a large sell, so this is it. And these are also revenues for the operator. So this is the P2P option, the markets, the listings, and everything. Now this is the launch pad. This launch pad where users can okay, this is where you get your sales and your purchases. So there is nothing here for now. So there no coin has been listed. So that is it. Now I think this is your KYC. You need to submit KYC, and this is the referral option. So you copy your referral link, and you get to see everything: your leaderboard, your referees, and your earning history. So these are your history. So that is it. Now when you click the profile option, you are going to see the security option. So there is security, there is 2FA, there is phone password, and there is also a phishing password. So you get to know if you are getting emails from the site directly, you get to know, okay, this is directly from the site and is not a phishing site. So that is it on the user's end. The notifications are here too. The emails are fully working. So now let's go over to the admin back end. So this is the dashboard. It has good analytics, and you get to monitor everything that is happening: the number of users, pending KYC, total orders, risk flag, open ticket, and this is the analytics. the analytics. Now you can see total fees. Okay, so we'll get to that. We get to that. Then this is where you get to see all your users. Okay, total number of users, pending users, suspended, banned. So you can view a user's complete information, their profile, their names, their KYC status, the KYC and the wallet, the orders, the placed deposit, withdrawal, the risk, the session, API keys, the admin log, and a lot of things. So you can also delete a user. So that's it. Now this is the KYC, the list of all the KYC that has been submitted. So when they submit the KYC, there are two levels of KYC, normal one and the advanced one or video, whereby they can hold a plaque. You can write some, tell them to write something and pronounce what is written on it. So the system is going to provide them what they are going to see. So just to get to know your users. Now these are the VIP tiers. In the referral settings, set your referral, the earnings, the settings. You can turn this off, the referral option, you can turn it on, you can turn it off. Beside this thing, the rate, direct referrals, indirect referrals and all that. Now this is where you get to see all your orders. Okay, all the orders for all market. This is for sport, this is futures, this is the auto board, and this is for advanced trading board. You can filter it by the open and the closed orders, cancelled orders. So if this for spot orders specifically, this is for it. So you can monitor each market, spot, futures orders, the auto bot orders, the advanced bot orders. So you can monitor each. Now this is the market pair. So you can add a coin pair here manually. Now these are the trading bots. This is the setting for the trading bot. Okay, so for all the bots, because there is a commission you earn for each bot, you can see this where you get to see your admin bot profit. Now if you scroll down, you are going to see the live. There is no live trading bot, no admin bot profit history. This is virtual bots that are running. Okay, now this is the currently for when is this? When is this? So these are the profit that has been made. So as a bot is making profit, so you can be seeing your commission. So this is where you get to see it. The bots are live, or these are virtual trading bots for now. Now this is where you set the copy trading option. You can turn it off, you can turn it on, you can review an application, you can delete, you can reject, you can approve. So this is where you set your earning to and the earning of copy traders. So now this is the subscription plan that I made mention. So you can add new subscription plan, live trading futures, and you can edit, you can delete a subscription plan. That is it. Now this is AI settings for the trading board. This is the overview. This is the pipeline. This is the API key. There are lots of things. They are masked. Okay, so this is the machine learning and the market context, engine settings, the risk and limit, and the monetization level. Okay, so this is the P2P merchants where you control the P2P merchants. Okay, now this is the P2P listing. So you can also handle dispute for P2P, and this is where you get to see all the orders for P2P and the P2P setting. You can turn it off, you can turn it on. So if you want to enable P2P, so you can. Now this is the staking option. So you can add new product for staking. You can edit, you can pause. This is the lending option. This is where you set the option for lending. So you can add new pool, you can add new config. That. Now this is the launch pad. So you can add a new coin listed and users can buy a new coin from their profile. So that's it. This is all the deposit that has been made. So as you can see, this is total deposit. This is for crypto specifically. This is bank. This is card. So everything is properly done so that you can have good audit of what is going on the platform. Now this is the deposit option, the crypto. You can see the address, the wallet. This is bank transfer individually for them. Now this is the fee income. This is where you get to all the profits you are making from staking, lending, copy trading, trading bot, manual trading, transaction fees. This is where you get to see all your profit. As you can see this week, this is just for conversion. This is for conversion. So as users convert coin from one coin to another, you earn a fee. Now imagine these numerous revenue streams you can earn money from. Now, as you can see, these are revenues, USDT conversion. Now, these are not real funds. Okay, so once you start getting your real funds, this is exactly how it's going to be. And when you click here, because there are different coins users can convert, and as people trade, users trade USDT, different coin pairs. You get different different commission from different currencies, so it's not just one coin. As you can see, this is USDT, repo and others. So all you have to do is you click here. Automatically there is no refunds. Normally if these are refunds, once you click here you are going to see them. USDT, Bitcoin, repo. Just click on any one. Now this has the highest profit. You can just click here and you are going to see USDT. Then you select the USDT option and now select the network. So once you select the network and you click on send, to send it to that network. So that is how you earn your money. All the revenue streams, this is where the money comes in. You can check your fee income here. Now these are the risk flags. Now you can see this user transferred and made a large withdrawal. So you can flag it for large withdrawal, suspicious things in account. And this is the compliance, the risk flag, the compliance cases, AML screening, sanction checks, and a lot more. Now this is the support desk. This is the announcement that you can send an announcement to all your users. I think that is it. Frequently asked questions, you can delete. Now this is the blog. You can create new blog. You can create new blog post. So you can edit, can add categories and all that. So this was added recently. Now this is the exchange that you connect, where your orders should be routed to when you are using an external exchange. So you can add as many exchange as possible. So it has Binance, BingX, B2C, a lot of them. It has all the exchanges that you can OKX. So that is it. Now once you can disable an exchange, you can refresh here to automatically fetch coins from that exchange, tradable coins. So that is it. Another thing is you can see your users connected exchanges. Users that connected their exchanges, you can see all the users. You can see the list of all the users, the username, the email, the exchange connected, then the number of trades that they've done on their exchange, all that. Now this is the liquidity model. Okay, so let me switch it back to external. So whenever you feel like, depending on where you are, you can always switch. Now this OTC desk, and this is another revenue that you've earned. So there are different this is the health system. The database infrastructure, the spot trading, everything is okay. The futures trading, everything is okay. Now you have one, the worker reconciliation is not, it has failed, but this is just a notice of it will pick up. That's some refresh. So this is where you get to check this. Now the next thing is the workers. There are total of 15 workers and they are all running. So this is your system health. You need to make sure that they are all running. If there is an error in any one, you know where to diagnose easily. Now this is the audit log. Okay, for every activity from your side and also from the user side, you get an audit log for every activity. So this is the settings. Now this is where you put your spot taker rate, the futures maker rate, futures distinct conversion rate, the withdrawal threshold, and maximum withdrawal for users. Now this is the KYC. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. Okay, so it all depends on you. Now this is the system. This is where you put in your URL, production. You can enable or disable registration. Okay, so registration is currently disabled. So you can put in maintenance mode. It has maintenance mode. You can enable the web app. It has a web app. You can change the web app icon here. So that is it. Now this is the email. It has fully functional emails. It has email templates. You can always edit. Email template. It has a preview of the email that you can edit, and okay, you can also build that. It has an email build, a template builder. So now this is the log for all the emails, and you can test an email. You can select a template to test the email. Now this is the site. This is where you put the site name, the base color, and of that, the SEO, and site map too. So these are extensions. It has Google login, the capture, and live chat. So this is where you set these things. So for API keys, I won't go deep into this, but it has a lot of things here. Okay, so they are all properly secured, not even directly here, reading from the .env file. So this is where you get to add admin. You can add as many admins as possible. So you can add an admin, and you can also add roles. There are lots of roles: the admin, the auditor, compliance officer, finance operator, risk manager, super admin, support agent, trading manager, and all that. Now for each of these, you can always click to give them a permission. So whatever they do not have permission here for, they are not going to have access to it. So if you want to click an admin, you just click add admin, the name, and you select the role, give them a role, and send them their details. That is it. Okay, that is it. So this is a complete system to help you easily start running a crypto exchange platform. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to ask. If you need customization, you want to add additional things, there are things you want to add, something you want to remove, you can always send us a message on WhatsApp. You can send a message on WhatsApp. If you are watching from YouTube, check the video description. Our links are there to contact us directly, and if you have any question, feel very free. So this is secured and it is fully working. So all you need is just to get it, then customize it as your own, and launch a crypto exchange platform and build gradually till you are able to fund using your internal pool. So that is it. Thank you for watching.